Discover the power of healing from the comfort of your own home with Hawaii Ketamine's Advanced Neuropathy Treatment Program. At the heart of our program is Water Immersion Electrotherapy. This innovative therapy stimulates every nerve in your feet and lower legs simultaneously, helping to restore proper nerve function through gentle, targeted electrical stimulation. Next, experience the remarkable benefits of Photobiomodulation Therapy, a cutting-edge technique that uses specific light wavelengths to repair damaged nerves and regrow the micro blood vessels that support them. This advanced therapy works at a cellular level to promote true nerve healing. Our comprehensive Foot Rehabilitation Program supports your journey to wellness by restoring circulation, boosting lymphatic flow, and strengthening the muscles in your feet and legs. This holistic approach ensures that your nerves function as they should. Need guidance along the way? With virtual neuropathy support, you'll receive personalized care from our team of neuropathy experts, with consultations tailored to your progress and health goals. Our specially formulated alpha lipoic acid supplement supports nerve repair and boosts conductivity to help speed up the healing process, ensuring you get the most out of your treatments. To enhance your electrotherapy sessions, we've included a Neuropathy Spa Solution, a blend of Epsom Salt, vitamin C, and sodium bicarbonate, designed to eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and support your overall recovery. Take the first step toward relief and lasting comfort with Hawaii Ketamine's Advanced At-Home Neuropathy Treatment Program. Personalized care, advanced technology, and expert guidance. Everything you need for a life without the limitations of neuropathy. Contact us today and begin your journey to renewed nerve health and well-being right from home.